Hi children, this is Shapno Chutki channel, e-learning school for kids. Our focus on watch, listen, speak, read and write. Today we will learn about addition. Let's start. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.